Good morning, students. How are you? Are you doing your homework question? Very good. Okay. Now in this video, I have to start a division of limits chapter. First of all, I have to explain about few formula of limits. Then limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1, or limit x tends to 0, x upon sin x is equal to 1. Second one, limit x tends to 0, tan x by x is equal to 1, or limit x tends to 0, x upon tan x is equal to 1. Clear? And third one, limit x tends to 0 and cos x is equal to 1. Clear? This is formula. So many other formula also, but I am not going to write here. And L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital's rule. Clear? If limit here x tends to a, fx by gx, by applying Hospital rule is equal to what? Limit x tends to a, f dash x upon g dash x. Clear? Means if any questions in the form of numerator and denominator, x tends to a means constant numbers either 0 or in number, then by applying L'Hospital rule is differentiation of numerator and differentiation of denominator indivisible. Understood? Okay, now I am going to explain question here. Then question number 1 here. Limit x tends to 0, x square plus 2 into cos x minus 2 whole upon x into sin cube x. First of all, we have to apply this formula in this question. Why? Because in denominator sin cube x is multiplication form. Then limit x tends to 0, x square plus 2 cos x minus 2 into x cube, here x power 4 into sin cube x. Clear? Is equal to limit x tends to 0, x square plus 2 cos of x minus 2 upon x power 4 into limit x tends to 0, x cube upon sin cube x. Now we know that sin x by x is equal to 1, then this value is equal to 1. Clear? After that, limit x tends to 0, x square plus 2 cos x minus 2 upon x power 4. Now this is 0 by 0 form. 0 by 0 form. Clear? Why? When we will put the value x is equal to 0 here, then 0 by 0 will come. Then apply L'Hospital rule. Limit x tends to 0 here, 2x minus 2 sin x upon 4 into x cube is equal to limit x tends to 0. From numerator 2 is common here, then x minus sin x upon 2 into x cube. Now limit x tends to 0. This is also 0 by 0 form. 0 by 0 form. Clear? It means again we have to apply L'Hospital rule in this question here. Then 1 minus cos x upon what? 6 into x square. Now again 0 by 0 form. Therefore, limit x tends to 0, 1, 0 and sin x upon what? 12 into x is equal to 1 by 12. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to what? 1 is equal to 1 by 12. This is answer. Understood? Okay. Now this is second question. Evaluate limit x tends to 0, log sin 2x upon log sin x. Clear? Now here apply L'Hospital's rule. Clear? Sin 0 here means infinity by infinity form. Then is equal to what? Is equal to limit x tends to 0. Differentiation of log sin 2x means what? 1 upon sin 2x. Sin means what? Cos 2x and 2 upon here cos x upon sin x. Then limit x tends to 0, 2 into cot 2x upon cot x is equal to what? Limit x tends to 0, 2, 1 by cot means tan x, cot 2x means tan 2x. Now here limit x tends to 0, tan x upon x into 2x. Limit x tends to 0, 2x upon what? Tan 2x. Clear? If there is possibility of making the formula, we can make here tan x means tan x upon x, multiply, divide here, and 2x upon tan 2x. When we will solve, same value will come. Now this is 1, this is also 1, means 1 into 1 is equal to. Now this is answer. Understood? Very good. Now question number 3 here. Limit x tends to 1 here. Log of 1 minus x upon cot of pi x. Clear? Now we can check here. X is equal to 1. Then what? Cot pi means cot 180 degree. Cot 90 plus 90 is equal to what? 90 plus 90 means minus 1090. 10 0 0 10 90 finite. Means here infinity by infinity form. Now going to apply L'Hospital rule. Log means 1 upon means minus 1 upon 1 minus x, and here minus pi and cosec square pi x. Clear? Differentiation of cot pi x means minus cosec square pi x into pi. Limit x tends to 1, and here multiply, minus minus cancel, 1 upon 1 minus x into pi and cosec square pi x. Clear? This multiply by this number here. Now limit x tends to 1. 1 by cosec means what? Sin square pi x upon what? Pi into 1 minus x. Now we can check 0 by 0 form. 0 by 0 form. Then limit x tends to 1. Sin square means what? 2 sin pi x into cos pi x and into pi. Whole upon what? Minus pi. Sin pi x whole square 2 sin pi x. Sin pi means cos pi x into pi. Here pi cancel. Understood? Pi cancel. After that, limit x tends to 1. 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin 2 pi x. Now I have to put the value of x is equal to 1 here. Then 2 pi is equal to what? 0 degree. Clear? Now this is answer. Understood? Okay. This is question number 5. Evaluate x tends to 0, sin x minus x upon x cube. Clear? First of all, we have to put value x is equal to 0 here, then 0 by 0 form. Clear? Now, limit x tends to 0. Sin means cos x minus 1 upon 3x square. Limit x tends to 0 here. Then again we can put cos x means cos 0 1. 1 minus 1 means 0 by 0 form. Cos means what? Minus sin x upon 6x is equal to minus 1 by 6. Limit x tends to 0 and sin x by x. Then minus 1 by 6 into 1 minus 1 by 6. Now this is answer. Clear? Very simple. Now see this question. In this question also we have to simplify, evaluate, then put the value 0 by 0 form. Therefore limit x tends to 0, tan x minus x upon what? X square, tan x upon x into x. This is equal to what? 1. Now limit x tends to 0, tan x minus x upon what? X cube. Clear? Now 0 by 0 form. Limit x tends to 0. Sec square x minus 1 by what? 3x square. Now we have formula sec square x is equal to 1 plus tan square means minus 1 is equal to tan square x. Clear? Now limit x tends to 0. Tan square x upon 3x square 1 by 3. Limit x tends to 0. Tan x upon x whole square. This value is 1. Therefore 1 by 3 into 1 is equal to 1 by 3. Understood? Okay. Evaluate this question. Limit x tends to 0. Log 1 minus x into cot pi x by 2. Therefore x tends to 0. Log 1 minus x upon what? Tan pi x by 2. Clear? Very simple here. Okay. Now here tan 0 0 here. Going to put here x is equal to 0 means log 1. Log 1 means 0. 0 by 0 form. Clear? Now in this questions I have to apply hospital rule. Hospital means limit x tends to 0. Log means 1 upon 1 minus x into minus 1. And here tan. Tan means first of all make the formula. It is simple for you. Then pi x by 2 here. Pi x by 2 and pi x by 2 means theta upon tan theta means we have to multiply pi x upon 2 in numerator and denominator. Now this is equal to what? 1. Limit x tends to 0. Log of 1 minus x upon what? Pi x upon 2. Now 2 by pi constant. Therefore before the symbol x tends to 0. Log of 1 minus x upon what? X. Now this is 0 by 0 form. Therefore 2 by pi. Limit x tends to 0. Log something means 1 by something minus 1 minus x into minus 1 upon 2 by pi here into minus 1 upon 1 minus 0, that is 2 by pi. Clear? Once more I am going to explain here. Limit x tends to 0. Log 1 minus x into cot pi x by 2. First of all, this cot we have put it into 10 form, that is cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Now this is 0 by 0 form, and if we have to make the formula, this formula here, limit theta tends to 0, theta by tan theta is equal to 1, or here limit theta tends to 0, tan theta by theta is equal to 1. Clear? Log 1 minus x, pi x by 2, tan pi x by 2, here pi x by 2 also 1, log 1 minus x upon pi x by 2. Using L'Hospital rule means differentiation of numerator and denominator both. Log 1 minus x means 1 upon 1 minus x into minus 1. Differentiation of x means 1 here, 2 by pi before the limit, then 2 by pi into minus 1 by 1, that is minus 2 by pi. Clear? Please, you have to start the revision. Revision very important. This is revision video, and how many questions already have solved in this video? Please, you have to do practice, and remaining question means in previous video I have given so many videos. Please, if not able to complete all the questions, then how many questions given your video means about the limit video, please you will complete, and attentions about the formula, because formula also very important. So thank you very much.